In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give permissions to a virtual assistant on Monday.com. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to grant access so your assistant can jump in and help without exposing more than they need. This is quick to do, but getting the details right will save you time and keep your data secure. First, head to your trial management board in Monday.com. Open your account, then navigate to the board the assistant will be working in. You can find it from the left sidebar or by using the search bar at the top. Make sure you're on the correct board by checking the board name and a few items inside, so you know you're giving access exactly where it's needed. If you don't see the settings or sharing options later, it usually means you're not a board owner. In that case, ask an owner to proceed or to make you an owner on that board. Next, look to the top right and click the invite button. This opens the sharing panel for the board. Here, you'll be able to add your virtual assistant using their email address and control what they can do once they're in. Monday.com lets you fine-tune access. You can bring someone in as a viewer for read-only visibility or as a working member if they need to add updates, move items, or edit fields you allow. If your assistant is external to your organization, consider inviting them as a guest and using a shareable or dedicated board so you keep company-wide information separate. The guiding principle is least privilege. Give only the level of access required for the tasks they'll perform. As you enter their email, review any available access toggles or role choices in the invite panel, and choose the option that aligns with their responsibilities. For example, a viewer role works well for monitoring timelines and leaving no edits, while a member role is better if they need to manage statuses, due dates, or communicate through updates on assigned items. If you have sensitive columns, remember, you can restrict editing or visibility at the board level later if needed. Once you finish in the invite panel, your assistant will receive an email to join. After they accept, you can confirm they've been added by checking the board's people area at the top. It's a good habit to revisit permissions periodically and remove access when a project wraps up or responsibilities change. That's it. Open your trial management board, click invite, choose the right access, and you're done. Keep it simple. Keep it secure, and empower your assistant to work efficiently from day one.